Oh my. We are now on our last day, sadly. We're on our last 7 hours in Japan.
Yeah.
We just filmed our video for the main channel that you'll see probably pretty soon. We had our friend John that was in the background helping us.
Konnichiwa.
He brought this fancy light that was perfect, and we didn't put him in the video, which was sad, but he helped out a ton behind the scenes on that video. So now he's gonna take us to one of our favorite things, and it's this little fish with pudding inside of it. What's it called again?
Taiyaki.
This is the place right here. See the fish up there? Look, let me show you how they make it. Look at that. There's all the fish being made right there. This is it. This is the Pokemon.
Taiyaki.
Food. Let's see it, Lincoln. Pull it out. Doing the hype. Oh, there it is. What kind of fish is that, Lincoln? Is that like some Pokemon thing?
Yeah, it's Magikarp.
Oh, I've got the weird one. The chestnut and red bean paste.
Okay. Yum. I mean, weird.
See, I am smart. I'm gonna lean it over here so it doesn't spill all over
Okay, go
me,
for
you know?
it.
What just happened?
John told me to eat this yummy treat that has stuff inside of it. I took a bite, and out of the back end came everything else on my shoe.
So good.
So good. I'm eating my carp. How's the red bean thing?
It's good. It's got little pieces of chestnuts in there.
If ever in Tokyo, make sure you get these carp, these magic carp. It's almost like tapioca pudding inside of pancakes. Good start to our day here. We've only got a few hours. We'll take you along. John thinks that Lincoln and I need to take a spaceship boat.
Space boat.
Space boat back to our hotel. Okay, maybe we need to do that. We'll see if we can find it. Right now we're walking in what looks like outdoor malls. It's cold today, but at least in this area they have roofs over the different streets. There's a temple that's just down the road. Now this morning when we came here, nobody was here, but on Sunday afternoons, it is jam-packed with people. If you want to see what I'm talking about, check out this crowd. Okay, I like temples. I don't like crowds. So if you ever want to go see a temple, this is a good one to see, but Narita is the one. We've been there before. It's fantastic. Next step is find this space boat and get back to our hotel. Let's go find the space boat. That building has a giant gold thing on top of it. Look at these four buildings. This one's pretty unique. This one's a big spike thing. This one's gold and then has some weird Lego thing at the top. This one's just cuts off flat like a plateau, but then it has this little golden worm on it. What is this place? Super cool architecture, but...
This one that looks like, I don't know, they call it the Golden Poo. That's what
Golden
people call it. People call it. I wonder why.
It looks like a golden worm.
A golden worm, okay.
Does look kind of like a worm. Golden Poo. I like it. I like that better.
It sticks.
It sticks. We are here, and we need to go somewhere else that's on the water. Problem is, the space boat gets in at 1:05. Our hotel checkout time is 1 o'clock.
Is that the space boat?
Oh my gosh, that looks like it. We are not going to take the space boat, but unfortunately this is where we say goodbye to our friend John.
Yeah.
We'll see you in like another 6 months when we come back, because I feel like we've been doing that for like the last year and a half.
I get a feeling you guys are somewhat addicted to Japan, or it's just one of those places where you like to come back to.
If you haven't already, check out John's 2 channels, Only in Japan, where he does really great, high quality produced videos about unique things in Japan. And then he has Only in Japan Go, which is the only live streaming channel that I subscribe to. He just goes and he'll take 20 minutes and walk through the town or show you something interesting. The Olympics is coming here, the World Cup for rugby is coming here. John's gonna have tons of content on that. Go subscribe, check it out, tell him that you came from us.
Go subscribe.
Goodbye, high fives.
Bye, high five.
Nice to see you guys again.
Wait, give him a proper bow. We learned how to bow today. Lincoln, bow like a ninja.
Yeah. You like will sit, and then you go up.
No, you gotta wait for him to come up, and then you come up. No, you gotta wait. Now you go up. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Oh, boom. We're not done with this video. We're gonna keep doing stuff today.
Yeah.
Mostly because we've got nothing to do, and so
We have to go check out of our hotel
talking
now.
to you guys makes our day more exciting. We're probably gonna continue this until we get all the way back to Utah. We're taking the train back to our place. We don't take the train very often. This is your ticket.
The ceiling is so
I don't understand how it works, but you just slide it into the little ticket area and it pops out the other side and you're good. And then we're gonna take the driverless train, driverless monorail, back to our hotel.
That scares me every time.
If you just listen, you wouldn't know it. But we're on a train with probably 50 people. Everybody's so quiet and respectful. And also there's some laws about filming people in this country, so I'm not gonna just show them, but you can believe me.
Yeah.
There's lots of people, right?
Yeah, lots of people.
But it's quiet. All right, we are done with train number 1. We are now in Ginza.
Shimbashi.
We are now in Shimbashi. You have to say it like
How
that.
fast we travel between different cities.
Yeah, that's a lot faster than a car.
Like we just went so
A lot cheaper
fast.
too. If you're going to Japan and you want to figure out how to get around, trains are definitely the most cost-effective for sure. But you need to be able to figure out how to get through them all and make sure you get on the right train, obviously. So Lincoln and I do the lazy route and we take Uber. They only allow Uber Black in Japan. And the Uber Black is like 30% more than a taxi. It's kind of ridiculous. Taxis are a good way to go too. They're clean, they're nice. It's just a lot of the guys don't speak English in there. So it's confusing when you try to talk to them. And then figuring out the whole money thing. Yeah, if you have a little extra money, I definitely recommend Uber. Now we're on the driverless train. This is a train with no driver. And so it's supposed to be really cool. John told us to go on it and it goes right by our hotel. Wow. Give us some commentary on the train, driverless monorail.
It's very wet on the tracks, as you can see.
Yes, very good observation.
Yeah.
What else?
It's cool because there's a bunch of buildings.
Yeah. Lots of buildings.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lots of buildings.
Very good expert observations. The best.
I know.
That's why everybody comes here to watch our Japan videos.
Yep. Exactly.
Back to the trail. This part of the monorail ride, we're going to do a loop, then go over the bridge, and then come around to our hotel. Our hotel is just on the other side. We made it across the bridge, Lincoln.
Yes, we did.
Give us some commentary. What are your thoughts and feelings about going across the
trapped
bridge?
in a cage, and then we saw Model X. Tesla. It's really cool.
Wow. Good commentary.
I know. It just keeps getting better every time.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, you're welcome.
There's our hotel right there. And there's a train right there. That's pretty convenient.
Yeah?
Would you take the train again?
No. I like Ubers.
Yeah, me too.
I can like sit down.
We are all checked out of our hotel room. We have a couple of hours to spare. There's a big mall next to our place that we went to yesterday. Oh, look at all the birds. But John did tell us that there's a giant video gaming center there. Oh, a bell. Do you think that we can ring this? Okay.
I don't think you're supposed to do that, because like, look at these.
Yeah, in Japan, they like quiet, and that was not very quiet. Let's get out of here. I've never seen so many claw machines in my life.
There's so many of them.
Turns out there's one thing I didn't expect in Japan. Taco Bell. Live mas. Okay, we're out of the hotel, we're out of the mall. We are heading in a taxi. This is our first taxi that we've taken this trip. We've taken the monorail, we've taken the subway, we've taken Ubers. We've never taken a taxi on this trip, so it shouldn't be too far away, but we'll see.
Yep.
And then we start the long trip home. That's cool, I didn't expect that. We are under the ocean.
Yeah.
This is Tokyo Haneda Airport, and this is the place where the ticketing takes place. It is huge. It's kind of like Denver with the different tent that goes up. But you've got this big old restaurant that looks like just like a fake restaurant out there. And then over here is a bunch of shops and restaurants. What we've learned in the past is that if you go through security, there really aren't that many great options for food near the gate. So we're gonna go check out the shops and restaurants before. We got here early enough. We have a few hours.
Yes.
Let's see what food they have. Even though we have first class, we still don't like eating the food on the plane.
Yeah.
It's just not our thing. We are gonna go and just eat before and then eat when we land in LA, and we're good.
Yeah.
They don't have a Delta lounge here, so they're letting us go into Tiat Lounge, T-I-A-T Lounge. Let's see what it looks like. Look at the wood.
Cozy.
It is cozy. Magazines and newspapers, drinks, some sodas, mini donuts. I just took 2 NyQuil. I think that's gonna help me sleep. Lincoln, we gotta go. Our plane is right over there. It's hard to see with the glare. This is probably a 10-hour flight. It's like 9 or 10 hours. So I'm hoping to sleep the whole time. I'm gonna lay that bed down. We tell the flight attendants on our first class flights,
We don't want your food. Don't try to wake us up for food. Just let us sleep.
when we get to California, we land in LA. There's a Shake Shack there. Maybe grab a burger. Or when we fly to Las Vegas, maybe we'll get some food there. Why do you only have one AirPod in?
Because I like talking to you and hearing you.
Oh, that's nice. And then who's talking in your other ear?
Music.
Who?
Marshmallow.
Oh, hi, Marshmallow. Turn on. Thank you. See that? Voice activated escalator. I said turn on, and it turned on.
It's so cool.
Watch this. Turn on.
Or there's just
Did you
called
see that?
sensors.
Yeah, voice activated sensors.
It's not voice activated. You can say whatever you want.
Let's see. Go for it. Let's see.
Pickles.
Pickles works too. That is the same. It says right there, pickles. Pickles or turn on. All right, let's take this giant peach. Throw it up there. Oh, there you go, peach.
I like
You're safe
these.
now.
I like these seats more than the ones on the way here. 'Cause
Yeah,
like,
look how big the screen is.
yeah.
It's huge. It's a
It's
monster.
cool.
After 2 NyQuil, I will see you guys in America
Well,
when we land.
yeah, in 10 hours.
10 hours, which will
like-
be a second for
When we're
you.
watching videos, it's just like, wow, that was so quick. It was like nothing.
Yeah.
But like in reality, it's so long.
It is long, but for you it'll be this fast. And that's 10 hours later. I slept for like 9 hours total. I really did. How'd you sleep, bud?
I slept for like 8 hours.
8.
8 hours, 30 minutes ish.
That's the way you fly like a pro. Don't eat the airplane food. And now we can go eat Shake Shack. There we go. Welcome to America. Welcome back to America. We get Gatorade. And what did Lincoln get? Pepperoni pizza. This is a really bumpy flight, so we're coming in pretty fast on an angle so we can land and get the wheels around. See how this works. Skills, good landing. Wow. Impressive. Welcome to Vegas. I think we left with 60 miles range, now it has 38.
Oh, that's good.
That's pretty good. We still got enough to make it superchargers. Look how wet Lincoln's pants are. It is windy and rainy here in Los Angeles.
Surprisingly windy.
Las Vegas.
Yeah,
That's
Las
what it is,
Vegas.
Las
And
Vegas.
Los Angeles.
Yeah.
That's true.
And that's why our flight was so bumpy on the way in. So now we gotta go charge for like 45 minutes so that we have enough juice to get home. We're so close. We really need to get a dash cam in here. We are driving. It is the craziest wind out there, and we hit the
saw this-
biggest sagebrush ever.
So these huge two shadows just tumbling across the road.
They're so big.
And then it just explodes. Boom! It was awesome.
All right, let's see what the damage looks like. Oh, it's windy. I can't see it. We need some more headlights. Okay, we backed up to where there's a street light so we can see better, and we figured out this lights in our car. Check out what we hit. This is just a part of it. Okay, pull it off, dude. Big old tumbleweed. I don't think it did like real damage. I think it's just a giant bush. Oh yeah, when we hit it, it was a giant explosion. It was so big.
What was that? That was just like, how does it even stick to the car? Even when we're stopped, it didn't fall off. That's how you know it's just huge.
Yeah, that's probably a good thing I didn't have it on autopilot. I don't know what would have happened if we would have hit that so strong. Also, what triggers the airbags? Like, that was a pretty hard hit. Whew. Okay, we're gonna continue on home, but there's the bush. This is the adventures. How do you get home from Japan? All right, we made it home and we are giving out presents. This was the biggest squishy we could find. London has her panda corn. How do you like the panda corn?
Good.
Oh, it's so big. Oh my gosh.
Open it, open it. We've been waiting for halfway across the world for you to open this. Lincoln tried to beg me so many times for him to be able to open it so he could feel it.
Fit down.
Wait, don't touch it yet. I got it.
Look at it.
Whoa, it's so cool.
Okay, we got more stuff for you. This one's for London.
I need to open it. It's tiny.
It's a little tiny unicorn. Claire, this one's for you. Lincoln picked that one out.
Open it. Thank you, Dad.
All right, this is the end of the video of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed our travels back home. It's good to be home. I'm actually not that tired. I mean, I think I'll be
normal,
like go to bed. There's not gonna be much jet lag. Lincoln, you?
I'm awake.
Favorite part of today, Lincoln? Great. See you tomorrow, everybody.